Another day, another story. Welcome to our channel. To help you get started with a weekly exercise routine in the gym, here's a sample workout plan that you can follow. Remember to consult with a fitness professional or your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. Day 1, chest and triceps. Barbell bench press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell flies, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Skull crushers, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Cable tricep pushdowns, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Day 2, back and biceps. Deadlifts, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lat pull-downs, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bent over rows, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Dumbbell bicep curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Hammer curls, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 3, legs and shoulders. Squats, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Leg press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Lunges, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, each leg. Shoulder press, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Lateral raises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Front raises, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 4, cardio and core. Treadmill or elliptical, 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio. Plank, 3 sets, holding for 30 to 60 seconds each. Russian twists, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, each side. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Day 5, cardio and abs. Stairmaster or stationary bike, 30 minutes of high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Crunches, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. Leg raises, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Russian twists, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, each side. Plank, 3 sets, holding for 30 to 60 seconds each. Day 6, full body circuit. Circuit training involves moving from one exercise to another with minimal rest in between. Perform each exercise for the prescribed number of reps and repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times. Push-ups, 10 to 12 reps. Squats, 12 to 15 reps. Bent over rows, 10 to 12 reps. Lunges, 10 to 12 reps, each leg. Shoulder press, 10 to 12 reps. Plank, hold for 30 to 60 seconds. On these additional days, it's important to focus on cardiovascular exercise, core training, and incorporating a full body circuit to target multiple muscle groups. Feel free to adjust the weights and repetitions based on your fitness level and comfort. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and prioritize rest and recovery to prevent overtraining. Note, this is just a general workout plan and can be adjusted according to your fitness level and goals. It's important to include rest days in your routine to allow your body to recover. Additionally, make sure to warm up before each workout and cool down, stretch afterwards. Remember to listen to your body. Start with weights and exercises suitable for your fitness level, and gradually increase intensity as you progress. Thanks for watching.